Once upon a time, in a lush green forest filled with tall trees and the songs of many birds, there lived a clever crow and a cheerful parrot. The crow, with its shiny black feathers and sharp eyes, was known for its wit and resourcefulness. The parrot, on the other hand, dazzled everyone with his bright green plumage and his friendly, talkative nature. Though they were very different, the crow and the parrot were good friends, spending their days together in the company of the forest's gentle breeze and warm sunlight. One pleasant morning, as the sun peeked over the treetops and the dew sparkled on every leaf, the crow and the parrot set out to find breakfast. The crow flapped his wings and cawed. "Let's see who can find the tastiest food today," the parrot chirped in delight, his eyes twinkling. "It's a challenge. Let's meet back here when the sun is high and see what treasures we've found." With a friendly nod, the two friends parted ways, each eager to begin their little adventure. The crow soared through the forest, his sharp eyes scanning the ground below. He noticed a sparkling stream winding through the trees and decided to follow it. Soon, he spotted a bush laden with shiny blackberries. The crow hopped down and tasted one. It was sweet and juicy, just perfect for breakfast. He quickly gathered a few more, feeling proud of his find. Meanwhile, the parrot fluttered from branch to branch, his bright feathers glinting in the sunlight. He greeted the other birds with a cheerful "Hello!" and listened for the sounds of rustling leaves. High up in a mango tree, he spotted a ripe, golden mango hanging from a branch. The parrot carefully flew closer, plucked the mango with his beak, and tasted it. The mango was delicious, soft, fragrant, and bursting with flavor. He decided to take the mango back to share with his friend. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, the crow and the parrot returned to their favorite branch, eager to show each other their discoveries. The crow cawed. "Look what I found! Delicious blackberries!" The parrot replied with a joyful squawk. "And I found a sweet, juicy mango!" They decided to share their treats, each tasting what the other had found. The crow pecked at the mango, enjoying its tangy sweetness, while the parrot nibbled on the blackberries, relishing their rich flavor. After finishing their breakfast, the friends sat together, basking in the warmth of the sun. The crow said thoughtfully, "I'm glad we shared our food. It tasted even better because we enjoyed it together." The parrot nodded. "Yes, sharing makes everything happier." From that day on, the crow and the parrot made it a habit to search for food together, always sharing whatever they found. One day, as they were searching for food, they heard a soft whimper coming from a nearby bush. Curious and concerned, they flew down and discovered a tiny sparrow chick that had fallen from its nest. The little chick looked frightened and hungry. The crow and the parrot knew they had to help. The crow gently picked up the chick in his beak and flew up to the nearest branch, while the parrot looked for the nest above. Soon, they spotted the nest nestled in the fork of a tree. The crow carefully placed the chick back in the nest, and the parrot brought some seeds and berries for the little one to eat. The mother sparrow soon returned and chirped her thanks to the crow and the parrot. The two friends felt happy and proud, knowing they had helped someone in need. They realized that kindness and friendship were just as important as sharing their food. Time passed, and the forest changed with the seasons. When the summer sun grew hot, the crow and the parrot found relief in the cool shade of the trees and the fresh water of the stream. In the rains, they took shelter together, watching the drops dance on the leaves. In winter, they huddled close, keeping each other warm with cheerful stories and laughter. One day, a terrible storm swept through the forest. The wind howled, and the rain fell in heavy sheets. Many birds lost their nests, and food became hard to find. The crow and the parrot remembered the times they had shared their food and helped others. They decided to help the other birds in the forest. The crow, with his clever mind, found hidden berries and seeds, while the parrot, with his swift wings, carried food to the hungry birds. Together, they helped rebuild nests and comforted those who were frightened. The forest birds were grateful and came together to help one another, inspired by the crow and the parrot's friendship and generosity. When the storm finally passed, the forest was filled with song once more. The birds celebrated their friendship and teamwork, realizing that they were stronger and happier together. The crow and the parrot sat on their favorite branch, watching the sun break through the clouds. They felt proud of what they had done, and their bond grew even stronger. From that day on, the crow and the parrot were known throughout the forest as the best of friends, always ready to share, help, and bring happiness to others. Their story became a favorite tale among the young birds, who learned the importance of friendship, kindness, and sharing from the clever crow and the cheerful parrot. And so, in the heart of the green forest, the crow and the parrot lived happily ever after, their friendship a shining example for everyone to follow. Their laughter echoed through the trees, reminding all who heard it that life is much brighter when we care for one another and share what we have.